Hey, this one here is for all the illustrators. This is my first picture book, The Cows Go Moo, came out in 2018. And I did this one all on regular paper. That was the medium that I used. It took special types of ink called Copic markers. And so this one was all done hand-drawn on paper with the Copic markers, which are great pens for shading. Great way to do the book and learn about the whole process of writing and illustrating children's picture books. It took a long time. My second book, however, I decided, you know what, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to do it all digitally on my iPad. And so I went ahead and did all the drawings digitally right here on my iPad, which was awesome because I could take my iPad and my iPad pencil. I used an app called Procreate. Procreate allows you to do all the different layers, the initial sketches, laying out the scenes and things like that. And you do all the black ink on the white canvas. The end result, this here is from my book, The Cows Go Moo Shuffle. The end result, some really awesome, or in my opinion, digital drawings. Many different things you can do. Procreate is an awesome tool for illustrators. I'm working on my third book right now called The Cows Go Metal, and it's going to celebrate the cows. The cows are probably going to be traveling in Europe, and they're probably going to be going down the West Coast doing some metal music. So stay tuned. The Cows Go Metal is going to be done again on my iPad. Some other resources that have really helped me along the way certainly has been YouTube. Illustrators like Jazza, he is awesome, Jazza. He's from England. He taught me so much about drawing with Copic markers and even doing some digital drawing. Another series of books, which I have at least four different books, is called Draw 21. Great books for referencing different types of art and characters and things along those lines. They just came out with a new book called Mastering Digital Drawing. And so this is put out by a company called 21 Draw. In there is a bunch of different artists, how they do their work. And so a great series of books, and there's so much information out there. If you want to illustrate a book, there's many different ways of doing it. I am a self-published author. I started my own publishing company called Boardwalk Books back in 2018. The brand, The Cows Go Moo. So I am now in the process of registering the brand, The Cows Go Moo. And so if you haven't checked out any of my books, $1 from every book goes to Heifer International. To date, we have donated 5 cows. We're working on the 6th cow, enabling people who are living in poverty to receive a cow, and they have to be able to feed that cow, and they start their own cow milking business. Check it out, support my books, and have a great time celebrating literature and music and art. If you need any help, connect with me at jim@thecowsgomoo.com. I'd be glad to help you in your author journey and your illustration journey. Moo ya!